Hello everyone, I am Susan Karna and welcome to TechSathi. If you've been in the Nepali market for an Android tablet recently, the Xiaomi Pad 5 is definitely not a new name. This 11-inch power-packed tablet could be just what you need. I've used this for a considerable amount of time to tell you how this performs in real-life uses over time. Pad 5 has been the perfect tablet for Xiaomi to re-enter the tablet market. Except for a few flaws, this is one of the best right now. The sleek design and ample power from battery makes it a top-tier contestant to numerous tablets released this year. Being boosted by the Snapdragon 860 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB on storage feels perfect when paired with the massive 8720 mAh battery. The high-performance chipset and the long-lasting battery work side by side to fulfill the tablet necessities almost perfectly. I say almost perfectly because this is not a problem-free tablet. You can feel it lagging or being comparatively slower at times, but it doesn't last long and the experience gets back to being good right away. Weighing 511 grams, it still feels light enough to carry around. You don't need to put in any special efforts to have it carried around at all times, but you most likely cannot hold it one-handedly unless you have gigantic hands like mine. It has slim bezels around the display and the back carries on the basic Xiaomi design. The slide camera bump could be somewhat annoying to some of you, but it doesn't really affect me. Not only the outside but also the inside of this device is smooth, and the credit directly goes to the 120Hz display. The high refresh rate makes it way better during the tablet experiences and gaming too. Talking about the display of this device, it surely is one of its stronger aspects. The resolution is 1600 x 2560 pixels and it has 1 billion colors, HDR10 and Dolby Vision by default. With these big numbers, the pad really does perform as expected and it also is well lit day and night. It also has 4 built-in speakers supporting the Dolby Atmos surround, and it is loud and clear enough to make my room turn into a one-man dance party. It has an 8-megapixel selfie camera and 13-megapixel back camera. Not breaking the stereotype, this is not one of the things that will impress you on the Pad 5. Putting it straightforward, this is not too bad for a tablet but still got a long way to be regarded as a good camera. The Pad 5 is powered by Android 11 and Xiaomi's own MIUI. Despite minor lags, both of them seem to fit perfectly for the Pad 5. Inside the box, you won't get much except Type-C cable and an adapter. One of its major drawbacks is the absence of stylus and a headphone jack. So if you need to use 100% of this tablet, you will need to go for aftermarket products. Now, according to my experience using the Pad 5, I will definitely recommend you getting this if you need a high-performance, tight-budget tablet. Thanks to the Dolby Atmos, the display and the refresh rate, the gaming experience on this tablet is undeniably good too. It is powerful enough to do tablet stuff and it also stands up on the Geekbench 5 benchmarking tests. The best part is the wide varieties of features and potential you get in not so pocket-raking price. Overall, it is amongst the best, so you should consider buying it. For the absence of stylus, I got this Pencil Max from Tech Studio. It does perform good enough for its money, so if you want one, you can get it from there. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, comment your thoughts and share it with your friends.